Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
Wait, are these more marshmallows?
They're my friends.
I was sleeping with these in my room. How did you get them?
Sneaky, sir.
Why are you even here?
Marshmallow friends.
That's marshmallow
You haven't been here in months and you just show up and take my marshmallows?
They're my friends. They called to me.
William, stop.
What are you doing?
William, what are you doing? William.
What are you even freaking doing? You just come in here and take my marshmallows. You think that's acceptable, huh?
They called me. They're my
They called you!
Yes.
You took my marshmallows!
They called
My
me.
mom paid good money for them!
They're my friends.
I don't care if they're your friends!
He can have friends, William. And so I don't mind him having... Marcia, stop! Stop it! Stop it right now, William!
Hey!
Stop it!
Give me that back!
William, please don't! Oh, don't!
Oh,
Not
no!
his friends.
No!
William,
No!
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 Stop it!
No!
Stop it, boys! Stop it!
No!
Stop! Oh my gosh, stop it, William! They're just his friends! You can have different marshmallows!
No!
Oh my! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it, both of you! Stop! Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Stop! Stop it! This marshmallows, turn them off! They're gonna explode! Oh my gosh, her friends are gonna blow up! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! William, please let him have friends! Oh my gosh!
Look what you did to them.
There's your friends!
Look what you did to them.
What do you mean, what?
William!
Look what you did to them.
I don't care what I did to them!
Oh my god! William, stop fighting over the marshmallow! Oh, stop it! Ah, stop it! Yeah, I'm tired of this. Stop it! I don't care about these legs. I need to put it on you. The funny Stop it! Stop it! No! Stop it! Stop it!
You have one.
Stop it! Stop it!
Get off of me.
William, why did you cook his friends?
Why? Wait a minute. These are marshmallows. We could be eating these.
You're right.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
You're right.